Welcome to this tutorial on how to set a stop loss on the Charles Schwab app. A stop loss is an essential risk management tool that helps limit potential losses if the market moves against your position. To set a stop loss on the Charles Schwab app, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Trade tab. From there, select the security you want to set a stop loss for, and then click on the Trade button. In the order entry screen, you will see an option to set a stop loss. Click on this option and enter the price at which you want the stop loss to be triggered. This price should be below the current market price if you are long on the security, or above the current market price if you are short. For example, if you own 100 shares of a stock currently trading at $50 and you want to limit your potential loss to $5 per share, you would set a stop loss at $45. If the stock price falls to $45, the Charles Schwab app will automatically sell your shares, limiting your loss to $5 per share. It is essential to note that stop loss orders are not guaranteed and may not be executed at the exact price you specify. This can happen in times of high market volatility or if the security is not actively trading. To minimize the risks associated with stop loss orders, it is best to set them at a price that is reasonable and takes into account the security's historical price movements. You should also regularly review and adjust your stop loss orders to ensure they remain relevant and effective. In addition to setting a stop loss, you can also set a limit order to take profits when the security reaches a certain price. This is known as a take profit order and can help you lock in gains if the market moves in your favor. By following these steps and using stop loss orders effectively, you can better manage your risk and protect your investments on the Charles Schwab app. Remember to always monitor your positions and adjust your stop loss orders as needed to ensure they remain aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance.